Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ugochi. So today we're going to be talking about how to save even in hard times. Okay, anyway, let me just welcome the new members, just in case if you're new here. On my channel we'll talk about things about finance, just little things that we can do to improve our earning and our savings and secure the bag, and how to make more money online, out of line. So many things to do, anything that has to do with money. Okay, we talk about it here. Also, we talk about every other thing, lifestyle, we vlog, but the major thing I talk about here is money issues. Okay, just little things that we're supposed to know. I'm just bringing into our knowledge so that we can do it to secure our money even more better. Okay, so today we're talking about how to save money even when the time is hard. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So there is no doubt that times are hard. Okay, we all know that everything changed, right? The times are very hard. So however, it is said that tough times do not last, but people do. One area you need to toughen up is the area of saving, right? So the question here is, why should you save? Why should you save? One thing you should know is that there is a virtue cultivating this art of saving. It is very necessary, because when you save, you're going to avoid regrets in the future. When you save, you have this feeling of accomplishment in you. You have freedom. You don't have to worry about anything so much. So when you also save, it's a sure road to a comfortable retirement. I mean, you have to save. No matter how little the money you have is, you have to keep saving. Because if you're not saving, I mean, that means you are setting yourself for hard time in future, which no one wants, right? So the best thing is to save. So I know right now someone will be like, oh, how can I even save when I can't even make ends meet? Okay, I know it is very difficult everywhere, but I'm going to give you some tips, okay, that you can use. Follow the steps, and I bet you will be able to save. Okay, no matter how little your money is, you will be able to save. So let's jump right into it. So guys, the first one is to be disciplined. Okay, saving requires a lot of discipline. It's just like a weight loss or weight control. You have to discipline yourself in order to achieve your goal, right? So you have to discipline yourself so much so you can save, no matter how little. Discipline yourself. You don't have to buy everything and anything. You don't have to swipe that card all the time. Just try to discipline yourself, and you will see that you'll be saving much more than you ever think. So guys, the next one is to focus your thoughts on the benefits. Okay, in both saving and weight control, those who succeed focus their thoughts on the benefits. Okay, just like someone who is trying to control his or her weight, just like a weight watcher taking pleasure in being in shape, being in good health, having all the compliments, looking their best. That same thing with someone who is saving. The only difference is that nobody is seeing what you're saving, right? But when you remember that the money you are saving is securing your future within you, it makes you feel full. It makes you feel accomplished. It makes you feel happy, right? So just put your mindset, just put your thoughts at the end goal, what you're going to achieve. Not just like now, oh, what am I saving this money now for? Some people will be like, what am I saving money for? What if I am no more tomorrow? That kind of thing. I remember when I was still growing up, to be honest, nobody had ever told me, nobody taught me about anything about saving. I started saving earlier on in life. I remember when I was still in the uni, I remember how much I had in my account before I left school. I remember very well. Even throughout the time of my NOI, nobody taught me. On my own, I started saving. I said, any penny, as long as that money is not something I'm using for reckless, or maybe using it to party, or maybe buy this or buy that, I have to save it. I saved till I left school, and the money I saved, if I tell you how long what that money did for me, you people will not believe it. So with that kind of discipline I gave myself back then in school, I still, you know, keep it up till now, and it benefits me. I'm not going to say, oh no, I can never run dry. So guys, it's good to save. Just keep saving. Don't be the type that spend anyhow. Save your money no matter how little. You don't have to eat all the ice cream. Like the best way to even lose weight is to, anything about eating junk and all of that, stop eating it, save that coin, because you're even keeping your health to be, you're making yourself to be healthy rather than eating all this stuff. So guys, the next one is to skip or stop impulsive buying. Okay, one of the main secrets to saving is guiding against impulsive buying. Impulsive buying is the purchase of things that you did not plan. You didn't plan to get this, but you just, you know, you just keep swiping the card. You didn't plan it though, you didn't, but you bought it, you know. So that's what impulsive buying means. So guys, another thing that helps is when you want to go for shopping, make sure that you write down the things you want to buy, and before you write the things, make sure you take a proper inventory of the things you have and the things you don't have. Okay, like me now, I have seen myself in a situation whereby I've gone to the supermarket, come back, and I'll see the thing I already have, I bought, you know. So it happens. But the good way to, the best way to go is to, you know, pen it down, write it down. Make sure you go through, like, you follow your list strictly. Like, everything inside the list is what you're going to get. Don't just buy things randomly and, you know, overspend what you are not supposed to. So just stop impulsive buying, make a list, go to the market or anywhere you want to buy your stuff, and buy things based on what you have, and it's going to help. So guys, the next one is to frequently analyze your expenses. Okay, what do I mean? Every a month or two, just try and check all the things you've already spent your money on, right? Just look at all of them. Just check if these things actually worth the money, right? Check if they worth the money, and also check if there are some of the items that you bought that you can actually substitute with less expensive ones, like, you know, less expensive ones. In that way you are saving out money. And also check if there are some of them that you can actually do without. Like, without these things you will still live comfortably. All those things you have to, you know, take them out. In that way you are also saving more money. Okay, just every month check out all the things that, I don't want to be repeating, just if you did not hear, just rewind. Okay, so when you take all this analysis, you will know where to put in your money and where not to, things not to buy and things to buy, and in that way you're saving more money. I mean, nobody wants to come and start struggling. At the end of the day, the money will just go to the wind. We have to save that money, okay, because they are not easy to come by. So save. I'm telling you, they're looking at me. Just save that money, okay? Don't spend it anyhow. I'm just, you know, this topic is strictly on how to save when things are really, really hard, even when you can't make ends meet. Like, some people are like, oh, I can't make ends meet, this, that. This is for you. There are things, check yourself. You must find something that you're spending money on that you don't need to. So let's go to the next. So guys, the next one is to stop showing off. You heard me right. Stop showing off. Stop it. You stop showing off. The most average people all over the world, well, let me not say all over the world, but I know in Nigeria, most Nigerians are so egotistic and like to show off, even if it's impacting our savings account. Okay, most people like to show off. It's even so much now, people show off in the internet, on the social media. They will have to, you know, light up the whole place with a picture of maybe in an expensive place. You do not always want to be like the Joneses, okay, or the creme la creme da creme. just stop all this showing off and save the money instead. Okay, just do it. So guys, the next thing I would like to say is to keep record of your expenses. Okay, when you keep record of your expenses, you will notice that some of the things you are buying, you do not need them. Like, you know, check yourself very, very well. You will find out there is something. When you cut that thing off, you are saving money for your future. You are giving yourself more freedom. You're giving yourself more comfort. Okay guys, I know you must have picked one or two things out of this video. Okay, today we talked about how to save, no matter how little, how to, you know, save, because it's very, very important. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, share my video, give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you watch to this level, I am so grateful from the bottom of my heart. Okay, I am very grateful to you. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.